Where sack?
Nagkakaroon ko na sa'yo. Kaya nagdaw sa'yo.
Yeah, cause I made the video of it already. I love it.
Alam ko ito. Inakalahati lang.
It's a part of the video. Yeah.
Chicken or chicken?
Because the plum. Yeah. The plum.
Meron na po kayo dyan. Dyan na ito. Meron sila doon. Dito abot mo.
Oh, fries! Oh, fries!
Penge.
Oh, you guys. Guys. Okay. Really good.
Meron na kami doon eh.
Hindi ako ng juice. Iced tea.
Kasi mo na yung ano mo. Wala kaming ganito sa kanila.
Meron. Wait lang po.
Matigas.
So, yeah. So, yeah.
Ito na lang. Mainit ko.
Wait, just gonna fix the angle for a second. Okay, so yeah. Okay, guys. Ketchup. Maybe I don't make a what's up? I don't know.
Music kay ma'am.
So right now, the garbage. So the girl he makes it right down by our table. Just loud. Yeah, kind of loud. Yeah, this is Peri in the Philippines. You can get the food anywhere. So yeah, the food many places, but I don't know. Yeah, it's good. The carbonara, don't even tell that it's, don't even say that it's not good. It's not good. I'm literally gonna like go to your house. Be under your bed.
Ikaw mag-rice na?
Yep. Later po. As you can see, someone's playing Cranky. It's the game. It's the iPad kid next to me. This is actually my first time going on outing. Video in the outing.
Wala ka dito chicken. Bisa mo. Itong wings na to.
I can't stop. The carbonara is so crunchy.
Barbecue.
What a fresh It's very good. Should really go to this restaurant. It's delicious. And it's so delicious.
Ito na muna. Ang tagal ni...
Ah,
Wala pa eh.
potato corner.
Gusto rin yun.
Juice, juice please. Juice please.
Lemonade o iced tea?
Iced tea. Oh,
Wala na eh.
hindi na po ako kilka. Okay, stop.
Saka tissue po. Ano to?
Wait, it's not free. It doesn't like that. No, it's okay.
Gusto mo nga?
I love it. It's so creamy.
Ayan na.
Yeah, guys, it's so creamy. As I said, it's super.
Dito ulit.
Ano yan?
Tanggalin mo muna yung cellphone.
I'm filming. No, wag
Ay,
po.
ito na yung ano.
So guys,
Sino pa? Sinukin mo na yan. Tapos bibigyan kita nito.
they literally made me film it. I can't remove it. I'm filming.
Para palitan nito. Ha? Pusin mo na yan.
They're lucky. They are using iPad. They're iPad kids.
Diyan na
I'm
lang
a
yan
full
kasi
kid.
meron na bago dito. Diyan na lang yan.
I'm not moving that. I don't.
Diyan na lang yan.
Oh, they're talking.
Kung gusto niyo pa, meron pa dito.
Cheetos.
Meron na bago.
Cheetos. I'm gonna get you Cheetos.
Ano?
I eat some cheese. I love one. Snack. I think you can only find it
Palit?
in the
Gusto niyo palit?
Philippines. It's so cheesy.
Sabi ko, marami. Saan na lang ito palit tayo? Okay na yun.
It's like cheese.
Palit na lang. Kami na yung
Cheetos plus Takis.
abot.
But really delicious.
Kabila. Wait, ano yun na?
But the other, what the cheese is amazing.
Pagod na. Ito na ba yung tissue? Oh, tissue. Naman. Kain na ako? Carbonara. Meron pa may gusto? Kain niya ako, Junel. Paabot.
Lala. No.
Ay, ang layo kasi nila eh.
It's delicious.
Kuha na yun ang nandiyan sa ano.
May sauce or chicken?
May mga sauce doon. Ang layo ng ano. You want more, Day?
No. Yeah, this is my favorite block.
Gusto niyo pa ito? Ano gusto?
Go.
Para matanggal na to dito. Junel, ikaw. Buis mo na. Tuning ko na to naman. Jaden, papato ha.
na po yun, ma'am. Ano ko na po?
Kaya.
Pagod ako.
Jordan.
No? Paano ako magbibideo?
Sige, ito na lang.
Paano ako magbibideo?
Gitna, gitna. Gitna po.
Only that one bite and the video's finished. Yeah. This is the last one.
Ano lang mag-learn.
Habang ka ng lemonade, man.
Can I have some tissue?
Wipes.
Tissue, yeah. Wipe. Tissue.
Wipes na lang. Para hindi malagay.
Ang tissue.
May wipes ba si baby? Maliit lang itong wipes ko eh.
Dinig mo yun lang nakasumakilag. Dinig mo nung sa likod
Pwede pa
natin.
ito mamaya.
Dinig na puto nung sa likod natin. Dinig na puto na sa likod natin. Dinig na puto sa likod natin.
Maingay ba ako sa vlog mo?
Oh, ayan. Mas maingay doon. Doon po.
Okay lang yung amoy.
Naglalayo kasi siya eh. So yeah, video is ended. Bye! Hope you liked the video.